Your timing belt is a crucial component of your engine's operation. It synchronizes the camshaft and crankshaft, ensuring your valves open and close at the perfect moment for a smooth and efficient combustion cycle. But what happens when your timing belt starts to fail? Let's discuss the common symptoms that indicate your timing belt might be on its way out, and why addressing these symptoms early can save you from major headaches down the road. First up, let's talk about visual wear and tear. If you happen to take a look at your timing belt, any signs of fraying, cracking, or glazing on the belt itself are clear warnings. Timing belts are typically made of rubber with reinforced fibers, but even the best material can wear down over time. A worn or cracked belt is a ticking time bomb. You'll want to replace it as soon as possible before it snaps completely. Another major symptom is trouble starting your engine. A failing timing belt can cause improper timing between the crankshaft and camshaft, leading to an uneven fuel mixture and difficulty starting. If your car's engine feels like it's hesitating or taking longer than usual to start, it might not be just your battery or spark plugs. The timing belt could be the culprit. Let's not forget about your dashboard. If your check engine light comes on, it could be related to timing issues caused by a failing timing belt. Modern vehicles use sensors to monitor timing discrepancies, and if something seems off, the ECU will trigger that check engine light. While the light could indicate various issues, don't discount the timing belt as a potential cause. Another less obvious symptom of a bad timing belt is exhaust issues. If your timing belt slips, the valves may not open and close at the right times, leading to an improper air-fuel mixture. This can cause your engine to misfire, leading to excessive smoke or unusual exhaust smells. If you notice smoke that's more intense than usual, you should definitely have the timing belt checked. To summarize, here are the main symptoms of a bad timing belt: visible wear, cracks, or glazing on the belt. Trouble starting the engine. Check engine light comes on. Excessive smoke from the exhaust.